In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform your voice with ElevenLabs using their speech-to-speech feature. Before we dive in, if you're interested in setting up your own account with ElevenLabs, be sure to use our affiliate link to support our channel and get the best out of your experience. Let's start with the basics. Once you've either cloned or created a voice in ElevenLabs, you'll find it conveniently listed in the Voices section under the My Voices tab. This is your main hub for all voice-related activities. Now, let's focus on transforming your voice. What you need to do is locate the specific voice you wish to modify. You'll notice there's a small icon resembling 3 dots next to your voice. Click on this icon to reveal a range of options, and from there, select Edit Voice. Once you've chosen to edit your voice, you will be redirected to a new interface. Here's where the magic happens. Click on Edit Audio. This feature allows you to upload more recordings of your voice, which the system can use to further transform and refine your tone and style. The more recordings you upload, the better ElevenLabs can understand and replicate your unique voice characteristics. Another exciting option available is remixing your voice. To explore this, you simply click on that same 3-dot icon once more on your voice. This time, select Remix Audio. Remixing offers a versatile way to experiment with voice transformations. It allows you to use prompts and creative guidance on how to change and remix your voice according to your preferences. Whether you're looking for subtle tweaks or dramatic alterations, this option provides you with a creative sandbox to play in. And that's the process in a nutshell. Through these simple steps, you can efficiently transform your voice using ElevenLabs. By uploading additional recordings and experimenting with remixing options, the possibilities are truly endless. We hope you find this tutorial helpful as you embark on your voice transformation journey. Stick around for more insights, and feel free to leave your questions or comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.